What?
Please, can I have a baby brother? Please, Mom. Please.
What do you want?
I want baby brother. Brother. I want baby brother. Can I please have a baby brother? Please.
You want to buy a baby brother?
Yeah, it's so cute. Please.
You better talk to your dad, because I'm not going to have a baby brother.
Me. I was talking about the baby brother that I want.
Why do you want a baby brother?
Because it's cute.
Yeah, but he's gonna grow up like you.
Ugh.
Are you cute?